One of the questions we get very often in our practice is from someone who's just been in a wreck and they called the police and the police said they're not coming out. What do you do then? This happens a lot. It happens a lot in Mesquite specifically. Basically, if you tell the officer or the 911 person that you don't need an ambulance, then they're probably not going to send the police out. So what happens next? Unfortunately, you kind of got to be your own investigator at that point. So there's 2 or 3 things that you really need to try to get done if you're able to. Number 1, take some photographs. You probably got a phone. You're probably watching this on your phone right now. Take some pictures. Take some pictures of the area. Take some pictures of the car you were in. Take some pictures of the other car. Try to get the plates. Try to get that information. Try to get a picture of the other driver if they'll let you do that. Try to get a photo of their driver's license and maybe their insurance card if they'll let you do that. Secondly, make sure you get all that information from the other driver. Contact information for their insurance if they have any. Whether they had any passengers, try to get some names and things like that. And third, try to find some witnesses. Often there are witnesses to the collision who will stop by and let you know that they saw it, but they're not really willing to give up a lot of information beyond that. Ask them for phone numbers, ask them for names. You may need to contact them later. Unfortunately, the reality is stories change. And when the guy who hit you story changes later, you got to have this documented as best you can so that the truth will come out.